Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see role groups to manage different sets of insider risk management. Well, depending on the structure of your compliance management team, you will have options to assign users to specific role groups to manage different sets of insider risk management features. You will have the ability to choose from the role groups options when you configure insider risk management. Let me make a list of them. Okay, first we have is insider risk management. So we will use this role to manage insider risk management for the organization in a single group. By adding all user accounts for designated administrators, analysts, and investigators, we can configure insider risk management permissions into a single group. This role group contains all the insider risk management permission roles. And this is the easiest way to quickly get started with insider risk management and is a good fit for organizations that don't need separate permissions defined for separate group of users. Now, second is the insider risk management admin. Okay, so we will use this role group to initially configure insider risk management and later to segregate insider risk administrators into a defined group. Users in this role group can create, read, update, and delete insider risk management policies, global settings, and role group assignments. And your third is insider risk management analyst. Okay. You will use this group to assign permissions to users that act as insider risk case analyst. Users in this role group can access all insider risk management alerts, cases, and notices templates. They can't access the insider risk content explorer. The fourth is insider risk management investigators. Insider risk management investigators will use this group to assign permissions to users that act as insider risk data investigators. Users in this role group can access all insider risk management alerts, cases, notices templates, and the content explorer for all the cases. So if we cover all the things, or we'll summarize all the things. So we covered the insider risk overview. We cover insider risk policies. I showed you how to create the insider risk policies. And now further we'll see what are the insider risk alerts, how to take actions on those risk alerts, how to manage insider risk management forensic evidence as well. So I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.